Hello, my beauties. Welcome back to another unboxing. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and we do makeup and beauty unboxings, as well as, sorry, I drew a blank, as well as clothing hauls and shop with me vlogs. So if you are interested in those things, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our channel. We have some shenanigans every now and again, but welcome and thank you guys for coming back. I am so grateful to have 80 subscribers. Thank you guys. It makes me feel so excited and happy because I totally just have fun doing these unboxings. It gives me a reason to get ready and, you know, use all of the things that I get in the subscriptions. Otherwise, you know, I'm just collecting and hoarding it. So thank you guys for joining me. I truly appreciate that. Now let's go ahead and get started. We're going to unbox Boxy Premium for May. And here is how you know it's premium by the inside of the box. The theme this month is flourish, and of course on the back you get all of your information, pricing, and you also have your variation code. So Boxy Premium is a monthly subscription for $35 a month. You get 6 full-sized items. You do get to customize or choose 2 of those items the previous month. So in April we chose our choice items for May, and so forth. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright. Okay. I don't even know where to start. It's so fun. Alright, I'm gonna start with this. It says Serum Kind Hand Serum. Black Blossom Hand Serum. Something about, due to its elegant and mysterious color, the black tulip from the Netherlands is a symbol of absolute beauty, royalty, and nobility. The black tulip is enriched with astragalin and bioactive natural flavonoid that protects from external stimuli and smooths out the delicate skin of your hands. Whew, that was a mouthful. So let's check this baby out. I'm always down for a hand moisturizer, as long as it's not too scented, or I would prefer fruity scents rather than floral scents. So let's see. Okay, it's in this nice tube. Kind of reminds me of an old school tube there. You poke it to open it. What is this? So this is $27. So let's go ahead and we'll give it a try. So of course it is sealed. We're gonna pop it open, and I already know it's gonna poop all over me. It does it all the damn time. All the time we get that to overflow on this channel. Oh, it doesn't want to pop. Maybe. Oh, that's hard to pop. There it goes. Oh, see, and it's doing the thing that I said it was gonna do. Alright, let's close that up so we can not make a mess today. Oh, it's a very light scent, very creamy. Does feel good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells pretty good actually. It's not, it does have a floral scent, but it's not too bad. It's very light and it does feel very moisturizing. Not too slippery moisture, you know what I mean? Because sometimes they're like too slippery and then you feel like you're all greasy all over. Not the case with this. Alright, so I've done a lot of chit chat with that guy. Let's see what's next in my box. Alright, see, we got the Rodale Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. Now I've heard these are really good. I have seen other subscribers get this. I believe it is a 3-pack. Yes, you do get 3 in here, and I'm not sure what dragon blood is good for. So let's check her out. These innovative eye gel masks combined with biocellulose technology with dragon's blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immense depuff effect. Okay, so it like unpuffs the eyes. I'm not going to use these. I don't care for facial masks or eye masks. So, yeah. But this was, how much was this? This was $18, so still nice to get in your box. The next item is I have from Bite Beauty, Midnight Ray, it looks like it's called. Alright, Midnight Ray from Bite Beauty. This is a lip crayon. Creamy matte lip crayon. Oh, it doesn't want to open. What the heck? Alright. Okay, here is this. So it looks like a chocolatey color, but it does have this cute like little top here. And then here's that chocolatey color. Here's the tip. Let's see what this beauty looks like. Oh, okay. It's almost like a mauve-ish color. Like you can see a tint of red in there. However, it is more brown than anything. It's nice. It's okay. Not my favorite color. This is, let's see, $26 for this guy. So I'm okay with that one. That one was kind of a, Alright, now. These are very nice. These are the LaRousse brushes, and they're very fancy, very expensive. I've received these in Ipsy before. I received the full set, and I believe this one has, this one seems a little smaller, but it comes in this really pretty packaging. It's almost like an envelope. Look at this. And here is the set of brushes. Now these are such a great quality. They are a very nice, soft, dense brush. And it has this beautiful detail here, as well as the number and the type of the brush that you're using. So these are very, very nice. Here are the other two. But I do already have these. Like I said, I received these in Ipsy, so I knew what they were when I opened my box. These I know are going to be expensive. So $96 for the set of 3 brushes. So we're on a good track. We're on to a good track there. Alright, now. This was my choice item, and I was so excited about it. It is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. And I love Too Faced. Like, I would, if I could have the whole, like, set of these, I would. Now, this is in the color Tiramisu. I'm not sure if you can see that. So I can't wait. This was what I was so excited for in this box. I could not wait to get it. So it comes in this really gorgeous, cute packaging. You know how stunning it is. Oh my gosh, I just love Too Faced. And let's see. Oh, I can't wait to use this. And then here is the applicator there. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh man, I love this. This is my favorite thing in the box for sure, for sure. All right, this Too Faced is $21 for that guy. And then our last item we have is the HAAS Laboratories. HAAS Laboratories Gloom Room Palette #1 Fame. Look at how pretty this box is. Now, I always want to say this as HAAS, because if you break it down, it's like HAAS, HAAS, but I hear everybody saying house, so I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, let's check her out. So it comes in this really fancy, bougie packaging. Glam Room #1. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, get a mirror. And here are these colors here. All right, we got to do our swatches. Let's do, I think I'm going to go for these two colors here just because one's a shimmer, one's a matte, and they're colorful. All right. Oh, look at that swatch. Those are gorgeous. Very pretty. I like that. All right, so I'm happy with this. This is $34. So pretty much just this alone pays for this box. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about this box. I don't care for getting like facial things. I like more makeup. The hand cream is okay. The eye patches are, I'm not gonna use them. The Bite lip, I will give it a try, but it's very dark. I don't know that I'll use it, but I'll give it a try. I think my favorite thing was the palette in the Too Faced, but let's go ahead and do our recap. So we got the HAAS Laboratory palette. We got the eyeshadow. We got the brushes. We got the eye patches, the hand lotion, and the Bite Beauty lip crayon. So it's our 6 items, and I will tally it up and total it somewhere over here for you guys. Let me know what you thought about April's box. I was sort of a little disappointed in it. I do wish that it had better choices. Like, I think this was a choice item, and it was because there was not really anything fun or makeup-y to choose. Again, I'm still grateful this box was only $35. Not my favorite box though, guys. I don't know, just being honest. So I've already got the brushes. So anyway, let me know how your variation was, what you thought. Have you joined? What do you think? And all of those fun things. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you later, my friends and fam bam. Okay, bye.